Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana and I am very happy that you're here today. I am sharing with you a make ahead, quick and affordable dessert that you could prep and take to your next Christmas gathering. Although all the ingredients I am using for today's recipe are from an international supermarket, you could use whatever brand they have available at your local supermarket. For example, you could use Nabisco cookies, you could use Oreo cookies. For the caramel, you could use the Smucker's brands, you could use Lotus, you could use peanut butter, chocolate, you name it, and you could replace it. And this is why this recipe is so delicious yet so easy to make that your friends and family on your next gathering are going to love it. I want to take this chance to thank you for visiting my channel. I hope that you find the content relatable and that you consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything, and by doing so you are helping me grow my channel so I can continue to get inspired and bringing content like this to other viewers just like you. Putting down parchment paper and pressing it down to make the surface as smooth as I can, and then I am gonna freeze this because in doing so it will be so much easier to peel off the paper. If by any chance you don't find a squeezable caramel, what you could do is just melt a little bit in the microwave. Again, you could use chocolate, you could also use peanut butter, and if you have tried this with any other thing, perhaps Nutella, leave me a comment down below. I'm creating this dripping effect around the edge of the cheesecake, sprinkling a little bit of cookie crumbles, and then I'm just gonna finish it off with 2 cookies on top. Friend, I want to thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me here in my kitchen. I pray that you slow down this holiday season and you pause and you take a moment to enjoy your family and your friends. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment down below. See you then. Bye bye.